your season of occupation. Start sending your application.
Hey you guys, welcome back. Today we are doing another fall makeup look. I just love fall makeup. I'm a sucker for the neutrals, I'm a sucker for the warm tones, and that is exactly what we're doing today, or at least what I think we're doing today. You know how you like have a plan and then it's just something completely different at the end? That's what happened with the last fall makeup tutorial that I put up. It's probably what's gonna happen today. So I am super excited. This is my kind of makeup. This is my favorite kind of makeup to do. So let's just go ahead and dive into it. First step is brows. Y'all know I'm not doing that on camera. Hello. So let me go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got my brows filled. Now I'm going to just go in with some concealer and prime my lids. This is just my ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw some of this on the lid because I have like veins and I have like this red thing here. If you've ever watched my videos and wondered what that was, I have no fucking idea. One time a doctor said to me like, it could be a calcium deposit, but didn't like for sure say that's what it was. And honestly, like, I don't even know what the fuck that means. So for the millions of you that were just like so concerned about my eye. Okay, so these are the 3 palettes that I pulled. Not necessarily saying I'm gonna use all of them. It's just like the vibes. I pulled Strawberry Dream and Eternal Eclipse from Lunar Beauty. And can we just talk about how much time and effort this man puts into his packaging? Like, is this not the most beautiful shit you've ever seen? Modern Renaissance, we all know this palette, cult classic, and I love her. So these are the 3 that I'm gonna draw from. I kind of for once have an idea in my head of like what I want to do. Of course, I waited till the end of the day to film this and I have to be somewhere in literally an hour, so let's get it going like quickly. Okay, so we're gonna start in the Modern Renaissance palette. I also think this is just good because I'm sure most people that like makeup have this palette, so hopefully you can follow along if you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe M441. We're gonna start with Burnt Orange because it's one of the best transition shades ever created in my opinion. Literally my dog is licking himself over there and my cat is licking himself over there, so that's what's happening. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. This is the Morphe M506. We're going to dip into the shade right here, Real Gar. Okay, so for the lid, I want to do a matte brown. I just want to keep this look very matte. So I'm going into the Eternal Eclipse palette, and y'all, this is just such a stunning palette. It's just stunning. Not sponsored, wish I fucking was. So I'm gonna go into the shade Earthbender. It's this dark chocolate brown right here. It is absolutely fucking beautiful. I'm gonna go in with this Farrah brush. This is the 45E short shading brush. As I'm packing it on, I don't know how to explain this, so kind of just watch. But as I'm packing it on, when I get to my crease line, I'm kind of just using this like windshield wiper motion to kind of blend it towards the crease. Yeah, I don't know, that probably made no sense. Don't worry if you're losing pigment when you're trying to like get the crease looking good, because we can just pack more on afterwards. Obviously there's going to be somewhat of a harsh line. It's like kind of what we're going for here, so don't worry about it. It's not like a harsh line, but a harsh line that's blended slightly. Because that fucking made sense. 40 people just clicked off like, this bitch has no idea what she's talking about. Okay, so I'm just gonna pack a little bit more on the lid where I feel like I lost some pigmentation. Y'all, this is probably the most beautiful chocolate brown I've ever used. Okay, so that is what the lid looks like. Let me do my other eyelid and then we'll move on to eyeliner. I said that. I'm doing eyeliner in this video. Are you shocked? Okay, y'all, going back in the Modern Renaissance palette with that smaller brush, going back into Real Gar, and I'm just going to like slightly blend my crease. Just like a little bit. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, y'all, but that's fine because it's kind of grungy and I like it. Okay, now that I got that crease blended out, I'm gonna go back in one more time with Earthbender. How are we feeling? Do we like it? Ow! Okay guys, I never do eyeliner, but this look definitely calls for it. I'm like really bad at doing this on camera, so I'm gonna like try, but I don't know if it's gonna happen. So this is like a little sample KVD tattoo liner. I got this from my Ipsy bag. I'm back and that took me way too freaking long. I am so late right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off of camera super duper quick and then I'll come back and finish the rest. Okay you guys, I am back. I am gonna take that small M506. I'm gonna go back into Real Gar and I'm gonna run that on my lower lash line. I don't know why I said that like it was a question. Okay, so I've got that nicely blown out on the lower lash line and I'm gonna take this Farrah brush that still has a whole bunch of that chocolate brown on it and I'm gonna run that super close to the lower lash line. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna take my liner and I'm just gonna do like a quick little like inner corner wing thing. Okay, I'm gonna throw some of this Maybelline eye pencil in my waterline. Oh my god, y'all, I'm so late, I'm so late. You know when you're like late, but you're still getting ready and then you start sweating? That just happened to me. As usual, I'm using my Maybelline Lash Sensational. I'm gonna go in with these Tarteist lashes in Wifey. And I'm just gonna pop some Fenty lip gloss on because I'm about to leave and I don't even want to worry about my lips. Okay, and that is the finished look, you guys. Obsessed with this look. I love it. Perfect fall time glam, like for a nice like date out or something. A date night out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm really trying to work on my channel, so all the engagement that you guys can give me, like every little bit helps. So make sure you guys go follow my other social medias. Those are going to be down below as well. And I just love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this. Oh, I thought my camera turned off.
You see